Okay, we got a Volvo 780, VL 780. We end up giving them the remote start, and you know damn well the winter's about to start, especially in Canada and all over the United States up north. You want to be able to remote start your truck from your house. It comes with the remote, so you can do it out of yard. The length from the remote control is the length of a football field. To arm it, the alarm, you can arm it here, disarm it here. Twice here, we'll remote start the truck, but we're gonna do it from the phone. Okay, arm it is here. Okay, disarm it is here. Okay, the remote starter, you hold it down until it completes the circle. Okay, it's gonna start the truck. I program it for diesel modes. Whoever has these trucks, if you decide to buy the DIY kit that we sent to you, it will already come programmed. The unit will come prepped. You'll get the installation video. The only thing you have to do is hook up 6 wires. Okay. Shuts off the unit, or it will run for 30 minutes going backwards, the countdown, and it will shut off. You can always extend the runtime by holding this button again, and it will start the 30 minutes again. It's got GPS for security reasons. I'm not going to show where the truck is, but yeah, the whole map will go, and it's a beautiful GPS, and you can even switch it over to satellite image. Of course, when the alarm goes off, say somebody opens the door or breaks the window or whatever, you're going to get a text message, push notification, and you can even set it up for an email, and it will let you know why it was triggered, if it's because somebody opened the door or by impact. That's crucial, because if you're far away in your house and the alarm goes off and you know it's impact and it's lightning, bad weather, you don't have to go to the yard. But if you see door open, doors don't open by themselves. 100% you got somebody inside your truck. When you open the door, the alarm's going to go off.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
See how fast it came in?
Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Okay. And that's pretty much it. The first year is free. After that, it's just $39 once a year. You can buy a 3-year package if you want. And it's a little cheaper if you buy the 3 years, but I recommend just go year by year or whatever. You never know if you get out of this business and you sell the truck. So yeah, you can go year by year, and that will not be an issue. And then you can program the picture of your truck. He has multiple trucks, so if I switch over, that's the other one that he has. And it will be the same process, you know, lock and unlock, remote start. And then you can just flip over to this truck. So you don't have to switch out a profile or nothing like that. When you do the GPS, you will see them both at the same time, which is nice. You know, especially if you have drivers that are all over the United States. It does have like a premium plan that you pay $99 a year. And what that gives you is it gives you speed alert, and it gives you geofence. So when the truck leaves the yard, you'll get an alert, and when it comes back, you get another one if you wish. You can set up multiple geofences all over the United States or Canada or whatever you got going on. That way you know when he gets to his house or the truck goes somewhere else or whatever. And it also has speed alert. And then it keeps a log of the whole year. You know, gives you a cookie trail where the truck has been traveling the whole map while you're sleeping and the driver's driving the whole night. You'll know the route that it went, when he stopped, and it gives you, you can even go back on a calendar the whole year. That feature is $99 a year, and you do have to pay right away, and the renewal is also $99 a year. Or if you're not interested in those features, you can just roll with the first year's free, and that gives you alarm alert and Google, you know, the GPS, but it will not give you those bells and whistles. It's okay. Not if you don't share your truck with anybody, I don't think you need that. But yeah, this is the Auto Line Specialist here in Miami, Florida. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we do have DIY kits. Anybody out of state, Canada, Puerto Rico, and the whole United States, we sell you the kit. It will come prepped. You know, program everything. The only thing you have to do is follow our installation video. It will be filmed exactly on your truck. If you have a Volvo, Peterbilt, Freightliner, Kenwood, whatever truck you have, we have the video for it. And we thank you for watching this video.